got all those designed and lined up. Did you show them the? Oh. You know what the trunk pop button is in this thing? Where's the trunk pop button?
The trunk.
Yeah.
The trunk.
The trunk.
You've been in here so long.
There you go.
Yeah. Light on. You press the trunk. Press the trunk, but
We'll have a little more with it. You got them back here in the port too.
dang, it's clean. Y'all see it up.
You see, he's got those ports that are going up and out the back of it, so you get as much space inside the car as possible.
Yeah.
Look what he's done right here. This is the most impressive to me because I remember you told me you got that at the junkyard.
Yeah.
Detail.
Oh yeah, you don't do that up.
Now, obviously, you know the console. I couldn't really get it any cleaner than that.
Yeah.
Whoever had it previously stained it up good.
And he pay attention to the damn CD player in them up.
Yep, CD player's done now.
Yeah,
I'll get it on it too, real quick.
Yeah, I ain't pay attention to that.
And the console stuff, when you bring it back later on this year, you know, we'll get it down.
What the hell? Let me darken this hole. Bright and dark. Y'all see this shit? You playing no games with this shit. Slap, slap. Beat, beat, nigga. Slap, slap, nigga. Beat, beat, nigga. Hell yeah, we ain't playing no fucking games, nigga. Beat your trunk down, nigga. Knock your shit down, nigga. Knock your dicks down, nigga. Oh, you can't even open it.
I don't even know. I can't figure out the trick key.
It's a little latch thing right here. I thought you had them been open. Right here.
Yeah, I was supposed to. Oh, you had it. I didn't want to break it.
Push it to the side. You got my thing. Just hold it like
So you got your modules there for your lights. And then you'll see,
that. Oh, the lights was up. Yeah, damn.
you'll see these down in here. Those are your speakers.
Oh, them, the wasn't called.
Exteriors.
Yeah.
You got another one over here on this side.
We did what, 4, did we?
Yep, just tearing the back up.
Damn.
So whatever you want to be heard is going to be heard.
Yeah, I see that over there.
I don't know that he's done the PA yet. I'm going to mount that somewhere in here.
Little speaker right there. Yeah. That shit got rain.
Let me see if I can get Lee to hook up that PA and let you hear what that thing's got.
And here had them PA sound, man, in this thing with a little music.
Right there. Step right there. I'm gonna show you where you got that down there.
And my needs pay attention to that. Yeah, I ain't pay attention to that. Oh yeah, that's for the PA.
Yep.
Oh, we can see where you got the PAs at.
No.
Oh yeah. They in there now. We been talk out the car. You can rap out the car.
I'm not sure exactly where they're at. I won't say it's that small horn that's tweeted down. That may be
it probably
security.
black. We probably can't tell because it's black.
The one that's under the hood, I won't say that one there is the alarm. But I could be wrong.
Yeah, it's an alarm right there. Then it was an alarm that was right there.
She's coming along. Once you get past a few obstacles, I mean, that's what I was telling you. You know, it starts coming together. Right now, he's building covers in the back. We're going to get ready to cover the back pieces with the fabric. Then we'll do the door panels and.
Yeah, then we'll better hear the music. Once y'all put the speakers back there, I better hear the music at the front of it.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm like, man, it's gonna be lit. Yeah.
Everything's going to have an amplifier to it, so it's going to be loud as hell outside the car.
Yeah, I'm sure ready too. Yeah, it's lit. It's black and white. Black and gray. We ain't playing.
I told you it was going to be nice. It was going to take time, but I told you I was going to blow your mind.
Yo. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, we lit. Yeah, we lit.
You click that key off real quick before you get out there.
Oh yeah, we lit. We about ready to do some shows and then riding around in the car to do some shows, promoting.
Let me show you
This camera right
this.
there.
One thing I was going to surprise you with. Same stitching that you had on the seat.
And for the thing there on the cover.
You know, right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'd be straight. Fucking great. Ride around the city with Kelly. In the Dodge Charger.
I almost think, I'm wondering if somebody could make a custom paint that's like the rest of it that's on the car here at the bottom.
Yeah.
And do the tail lights in it. Leave this what it is, and we'll do it solid and see if we could get the metal flake. I mean, we can't do it, but metal flake these.
Oh, metal flake lights too.
If they're capable of it, I don't know if you can do something with the metal flake in there. It could be too solid. I already gave you.
They say we probably made into it already. That's the only way. Yeah, they have to be made into it probably.
Will you get one of those taxi or pizza hut things and put on top of it?
I'll put what it do management on there. I'll put that logo on there.
Yeah, I was looking through your pictures a little bit on Facebook the other day. Definitely got it going on.
It is. I didn't even know Monday was